technically my first video. Well, maybe it's not, but it's just an introduction thingy. I'm filming the video very soon, my first video. But I need your guys' help. You need to subscribe, and yeah, that's what you need to do. You need to subscribe, and I'll have my video up soon. I promise. So go subscribe, and the link in the bottom is a link to my vlog channel. And I'm not gonna be vlogging like I Love Apple 1232 does. Like he's always vlogging, but I'm not gonna be doing that like him. What I'm doing is every time I go somewhere, like if I go to the pool or Starbucks or anything like that, then I'll videotape. But I'm not just gonna videotape at home because I don't want to bore you guys out. So go subscribe, and if you want me to do, yeah, so subscribe, and my video will be up in a couple of days, I promise. So yeah, see ya. Subscribe. Link down below to my vlog channel. Bye.
Somebody